Ever felt like your dog knows exactly how you're feeling? It's not your imagination, dogs are emotional experts. Here's the science behind it. Studies show dogs can recognize human emotions. They do this through tone and facial expressions. Dogs use the same part of the brain we do to read emotions. This is found in the temporal cortex. Your scent changes with your mood. Dogs can smell stress, fear, or joy in your sweat. They've evolved alongside humans for over 15,000 years. This makes them wired to respond to our emotional cues. Sometimes, they respond better than we do ourselves. That comforting stare? It's not random, it's empathy. So next time your dog sits beside you when you're down, remember, they don't just love you. They feel you.